everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to do a Dutch pour today on a canvas 24 by 48. It's huge. Look at this. It's pretty awesome. So I'm just going to take a second and go over the paint consistency because I've been getting a lot of questions. For some reason have to be different than everyone else, and I see a lot of people mixing their paint, all their paint exact same consistency. But of course, me, I have to be different. So my base coat is thin. So if you can see, when I let that drizzle in there, there's no mound being left. And I mix these all with the same ingredients. I just thin it more with water. So I mix everything in these cups, and I use 4 ounces paint, 4 ounces of glue, 4 ounces of Floetrol, and 2 ounces of Liquitex pour medium, and then thin with water to the point where I need it. So like I said, this one has more water than the rest. I'll show you so my colors are a little bit thicker. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit that's staying for like a half a second in there. Just to compare, like I would go a little bit thicker for a ring pour. So if you see this one, it's definitely more of a mound and it stays a lot longer. That's what I would do for a ring pour because you want that thicker. So for the Dutch, I like the base coat to be thin so my other colors can easily flow over it, but I don't want them to like mix and mute and stuff like that. I like nice clean edges. That's me. So I'm going to show you the colors I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to do these ones first because all these colors can easily mix together because blue and red make purple. So these colors will easily blend and you're not going to get any mudding. You can with these ones added. This is more of a green and this peach one. So I'm going to do all these first and then add little bits of these other ones throughout and then blow it out after. I'm using a hair dryer and I have a little attachment to give me more control. And I also have an airbrush. It's kind of a mess, but it works for little details. You could use a straw and blow it yourself, but I get really lightheaded when I do that, and this is so much easier. All right, so I'm going to get the canvas set up, and then we will get started. I'm going to flood the entire thing with white first. So I'm going to start, I think I'm going to do like a kind of a swiggly something that goes on an angle up through here. And I'm going to start with the blues. I will put all the names of the colors I'm using in the description, and I'll also have a link to a video I made on mixing paint if you want to watch that. So now I'm kind of just exaggerating this pattern I have here. So these hills pointing this way, I'm going to blow further that way, and the ones coming this way, I'm blowing further. All right, and now I just do a little on the opposite, and then I kind of exaggerate it a bit. Now I'm going to add my 2 other colors.